dear students, let us continue expansion chapter and start with exercise 3b. These are the same concept we have which we have learned earlier in exercise 3a, but now we'll be just applying it on the questions. Like if I see exercise 3b, the first question that we have, question 1, first part, like find a square plus b square. A square plus b square we need to find when a plus b is given to us is 9 and ab given to us is 20. Okay, no issues. So we have a plus b is equal to 9, squaring both sides, we'll have a plus b whole square is equal to 9 square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 81. Now a square plus b square we need to find. So a square plus b square plus 2 into 20, because ab given to us is 20 is equal to 81. So a square plus b square plus 40 is equal to 81. A square plus b square is equal to 81 minus 40, or a square plus b square is equal to 41. So the final answer to us is 41. Okay. So that is how we are going to use these identities now. Next question. Question number 2. We need to find p square plus q square where it is given to us p minus q is 6 and p plus q given to us is 14. Okay, so if you remember, we wrote one identity, that is square of the sum of square of both the terms is equal to twice of p square plus q square. This I already showed you in the first video where I wrote all the identities, that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to square 2 times a square plus b square. So I can write this as 14 square plus 6 square is equal to 2 times p square plus q square. So this will be 196 plus 36 is equal to 2 times p square plus q square. 196 plus 36 will be equal to 242 upon 2 is equal to p square plus q square. So 121 is equal to p square plus q square. That's our final answer. So that's our final answer. Okay. So this will be 232. Sorry. So this will be 116. 116 is our final answer. So that is how we are going to use the identity to solve the question. Let's move to the third question. Third part, we need to find mn when m plus n is given to us is 8 and m minus n is given to us is 2. Okay, so now we'll use the identity m plus n whole square minus m minus n whole square. This is 4mn. If you remember, I showed you that at place as well, that is m plus n whole square, and if you subtract with the m minus n whole square, you'll expand it, the final answer will be 4mn. So we'll write this as 8 square minus 2 square, which is equal to 4mn. 64 minus 4 is equal to 4mn. 60 is equal to 4mn. So what we'll get at 60 by 4, which is equal to mn, which is equal to 15. So the final answer is 15. That is how we'll be using this identity. Let's move to the next question. Like, fourth question we have is question 1, fourth part. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 and we need to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared and x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4. So what we'll do, we'll be squaring both the sides, so it will become x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 square. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 9. This will get cut. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 9. So x square plus 1 by x square will be equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now to find x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4, I will be squaring this equation again. So we'll get squaring both sides. So again you will get x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 7 square. This will become x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square is equal to 49. This x square will get cut. So we get x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4 plus 2 is equal to 49, or x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4 is 49 minus 2, which is equal to 47. That is the final answer. This is how you need to solve all the equations. Okay? Let me do the fifth question as well. Fifth part. We have been given x plus 1 by x is equal to root 5. We need to find x minus 1 by x, and then we need to find x square minus 1 by x square. How will we do it? We will square both the sides. Squaring both sides, we will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. I am directly writing this identity because a square plus b square plus 2ab. In 2ab, x into 1 by x will get cut. This will be equal to root 5 square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Now x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x square, this x and x will get cut, minus 2 plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Now x square plus 1 by x square, I already find it out, which is equal to 3. This will equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So x minus 1 by x whole square will be equal to 1. So x minus 1 by x will be equal to square root of 1, which is also equal to 1. Square root of 1 is 1 or plus minus 1. Okay, so the answer over here will be plus minus 1. Next we need to find is x square minus 1 by x square. This will be equal to x plus 1 by x multiplied by x minus 1 by x, which is equal to x plus 1 by x given to us is root 5 multiplied by plus minus 1, because x minus 1 by x we found it out to be x plus minus 1. So plus minus 1 multiplied by root 5 will be plus minus root 5. It can be either plus root 5 or minus root 5. It can be both. Okay. So this is how we need to solve all the questions related to these concepts. Okay. Let me move to the next question. Question 2. In question 2, I will be using the identity a plus b plus c whole square. The identity is a plus b plus c whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which I used in the previous video. We can also reduce it like a square plus b square plus c square plus, if I take 2 as common, it will be ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so we'll be using this identity in this question. So question 2, suppose First part. We need to find a square plus b square plus c square when it is given to us a plus b plus c is equal to 17 and ab plus bc plus ca is given to us is 30. Okay, so we'll be using the same identity. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. So a plus b plus c, instead of that I can write 17 whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, instead of ab plus bc plus ca I can write 30. So this is 289 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 60. This plus 60 will go that side, it will become minus. So 289 minus 60 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So 229 I should say 229 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. That's the final answer. Okay. In the same way you will do the second part and the third part of this question. Okay, so now we'll be using another identity which we already learned in the previous video, which is cube of the polynomial. But now we will convert it into different form. That is, if a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, it is given in like this. This is equal to a plus b whole cube, and if a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, if it is in this form, it will be a minus b whole cube. These are the two identities which we will be using in the next question. Let us see what it is. Like question 3, first part. We have, or we have been given 8x cube plus 84x square y plus 294xy square, 294xy square plus 343 y cube. We need to find this value. We need to find this value if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So how will we do it? See, the first term is a perfect cube. It's a perfect cube of 2. The last term is also a perfect cube of 7y. Yes or no? 343 is a cube of y. So this term, the middle term, because it is x square, can I write it like this? 3 into 2x whole square into 7y. Just check, my friends. 3 into 2x square, that is 3 into 4 is 12. 12 into 7 is 84. So it will come out to be 84x square y. In the same way, this 294 xy square can be written as 3 into 2x into 7y whole square. 3 into 2x, because it is 3ab square. So 3 into 2x into 7y whole square. 7y whole square is 49y square. 49 into 6 is equal to 294 xy square. So this will be equal to a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube. Now we'll put the value of x and y. 2 into the value of x given to us is 1 plus value of y given to us in the question is 2 whole cube. So it will be 2 plus 14 cube, which is 16 cube. And what is 16 cube? 16 into 16 into 16, it is equal to 4096. 4096. So that is how you need to solve the question. Okay? How much time? 15. So, let me do one more question for you. questions are left in the exercise, so let me complete that. So question number 4, suppose we have been given find the value of x cube minus, let me do the third question. Find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. Okay, so since we need to find x cube minus 1 by x cube, first I need to find the value of x minus 1 by x. How will we do it? See, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 1 by x whole square can be written as 18 minus this x and x will get cut, 18 minus 2 which is equal to 16. So x minus 1 by x is equal to square root of 16 which is equal to 4. So what I got is x minus 1 by x is equal to 4. Now I'll be using the identity x minus 1 by x whole cube will be equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. That's my identity. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So if you see, this x and x will get cut. So this value I already know, which is equal to 4. This will be equal to 4 cube minus 4 cube is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x can be written as 4. So 64 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 12. This minus 12 will go that side, it become plus. 64 plus 12 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So 76 is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. So this way the final answer for it is x cube minus 1 by x cube is 76. This way we have to do remaining questions of the exercise as well, or I should say question 4 different subparts as well. Okay, and with this I would like to do the last 5th question so that we can complete the exercise and complete the video. Question 5. See, the question is question 5, second part I will take. We have been given 1003 whole square minus 997 whole square. This can be written as a square minus b square. So it is equal to a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 2000 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 12,000. So final answer is 12,000. Okay, and with this I complete the video and we completed chapter number 3, all exercises. So I will tell you to complete all the questions once again, do it and show it to me on WhatsApp. Thank you.